Ever wondered about a magical elixir hiding in plain sight in your home? Picture this, a humble bottle of castor oil, tucked away in your bedside cabinet, holding within it the promise of transformative benefits for your hair, skin, and even aiding in a gentle night's rest. Imagine the stories it could tell, of ancient civilizations embracing its healing properties, passing down its wisdom through generations. Tonight, let's embark on a journey through time and tradition, as we unravel the mysteries of castor oil and its remarkable benefits when applied before bedtime. Join me as we delve into the enchanting world of this liquid gold, exploring its magical properties that nourish not only your hair and skin but also soothe your body with its natural laxative effects. Are you ready to awaken to a world of beauty and wellness? Then let's dive in. 1. Promotes hair growth. First up, let's delve deeper into the remarkable ability of castor oil to promote hair growth. Derived from castor beans, this natural elixir is not just a remedy, it's a nourishing tonic for your scalp and hair follicles. Its dense, pale yellow consistency belies its potent blend of nutrients, including omega-6 fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. These elements work in harmony to create an optimal environment for hair growth. Castor oil's magic lies in its multifaceted approach to hair health. Firstly, it keeps your scalp healthy by warding off infections that could impede hair growth. By improving blood circulation to the scalp, it ensures that essential nutrients and oxygen reach the hair follicles, stimulating their activity and promoting growth from the roots. Additionally, its nourishing properties strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends, thereby allowing your hair to reach its full potential in length and volume. But how do you incorporate this elixir into your hair care routine? It's simpler than you might think. Just massage a small amount of castor oil onto your scalp, ensuring even distribution, and gently work it through the lengths of your hair. For a more intensive treatment, leave it on for at least 30 minutes or, better yet, overnight, allowing it to deeply penetrate your scalp and hair follicles. Consistency is key, as regular use of castor oil can yield noticeable results over time. 2. Thickens eyelashes and eyebrows. Now, let's delve into how castor oil can work wonders in thickening your eyelashes and eyebrows, transforming them from sparse to spectacular. It's no secret that full, voluminous lashes and well-defined brows can enhance your overall look, framing your eyes and accentuating your natural beauty. But achieving this desired aesthetic doesn't have to involve expensive serums or invasive treatments. Castor oil, with its rich composition of fatty acids, vitamins, and proteins, offers a simple and affordable solution that has garnered widespread acclaim for its impressive results. The secret to castor oil's effectiveness lies in its ability to penetrate deeply into the hair follicles, nourishing them from the root and promoting healthy growth. By providing essential nutrients and strengthening the hair shaft, castor oil prevents lash and brow loss, encouraging thicker, more resilient growth over time. Additionally, its moisturizing and conditioning properties prevent lashes and brows from becoming brittle and prone to breakage, resulting in a fuller, healthier appearance. But how exactly do you incorporate castor oil into your lash and brow care routine? Fear not, for the process is as simple as it is effective. Using a clean mascara brush or a cotton swab, carefully apply a small amount of castor oil to your lashes and brows before bedtime, ensuring thorough coverage. Take care to be gentle, avoiding any unnecessary tugging or pulling that could cause irritation. With consistent use over a few weeks, you'll begin to notice visible improvements in the thickness and length of your lashes and brows, transforming them into your most coveted feature. 3. Treats skin conditions. Castor oil's versatility extends beyond hair care to encompass a wide array of skin benefits, making it a staple in many skincare routines. Rich in fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, it boasts potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that make it a formidable ally in the fight against various skin conditions. Whether you're battling acne, eczema, psoriasis, or dealing with scars and stretch marks, castor oil offers a natural and effective solution to address your skincare concerns. For those grappling with eczema and psoriasis, castor oil offers much-needed relief from the discomfort and irritation associated with these chronic skin conditions. By forming a protective barrier on the skin's surface, it helps lock in moisture and reduce inflammation, alleviating itching and redness. When it comes to scars and stretch marks, castor oil's regenerative properties come into play, helping to fade discoloration and improve the overall appearance of the skin. Its ability to stimulate collagen production promotes the formation of new tissue, gradually diminishing the visibility of scars and stretch marks over time. Whether you're dealing with acne scars, surgical scars, or stretch marks from pregnancy or weight fluctuations, incorporating castor oil into your skincare regimen can help restore smoothness and elasticity to your skin, enhancing its natural beauty. Moreover, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing remedy for sunburns, providing relief from pain, redness, and inflammation. Its moisturizing effects help hydrate the skin and promote healing, minimizing peeling and discomfort. Simply apply a small amount of castor oil to the affected area and gently massage it in, allowing its healing properties to work their magic. Whether you've spent too much time in the sun or experienced a mild burn, castor oil can provide the relief and nourishment your skin needs to recover. For Moisturizes Skin. Now, let's explore how castor oil becomes a powerhouse moisturizer for your skin. With its humectant properties and unique composition, castor oil effectively seals in moisture, preventing your skin from drying out. By forming a protective barrier, it ensures lasting hydration, leaving your skin supple and soft throughout the day. Castor oil's thick texture allows it to penetrate deeply, delivering essential nutrients that promote optimal skin health. Packed with antioxidants, it protects your skin from environmental stressors, maintaining a youthful appearance by reducing fine lines and wrinkles. If you have rough patches, castor oil can target these areas, smoothing and revitalizing even the driest skin. Beyond moisturizing, castor oil fights oxidative stress, ensuring your skin stays radiant. It soothes and calms irritated skin, providing relief from redness and inflammation. Whether used alone or with other soothing ingredients, castor oil helps calm and heal, leaving your complexion refreshed. 5. Fights acne. Let's delve into how castor oil serves as a potent remedy in the battle against acne. Its ability to combat the bacteria responsible for acne, coupled with its moisturizing properties, makes it an effective solution for reducing inflammation and preventing breakouts. Rich in fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, castor oil moisturizes the skin while keeping it hydrated, thus reducing the likelihood of excess oil production and pore congestion. Furthermore, castor oil aids in reducing the appearance of acne scars, promoting the growth of new skin tissue and gradually fading existing scars. Its gentle yet effective exfoliating properties help slough off dead skin cells, revealing fresh, healthy skin underneath. With regular use, castor oil can help improve the overall texture and tone of your skin, minimizing the visibility of acne scars and promoting a smoother, more even complexion. To incorporate castor oil into your acne-fighting regimen, simply apply a small amount to affected areas and gently massage it into your skin. Allow it to absorb fully before applying any additional skincare products. For best results, use castor oil consistently as part of your daily skincare routine, being mindful of any signs of irritation or sensitivity. 6. Natural laxative. Let's explore how castor oil serves as a natural laxative, aiding in digestive health and promoting regularity. The key ingredient in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, works by stimulating bowel movements, making it easier for waste to pass through the intestines. This gentle yet effective action helps relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements, providing much-needed relief from discomfort and bloating. There are several ways to use castor oil as a laxative. One common method is oral ingestion, where a small amount of castor oil is swallowed directly or mixed with a beverage to mask its taste. Upon ingestion, castor oil typically takes effect within a few hours, helping to ease constipation and promote bowel movements. However, it's essential to follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil internally, as excessive consumption can lead to side effects such as diarrhea. Another method of using castor oil as a laxative is through topical application to the abdomen. By massaging castor oil into the skin and applying a warm compress, you can help relax the muscles of the abdomen, promoting bowel movements and relieving constipation. This method is particularly beneficial for individuals who prefer not to ingest castor oil orally or who experience gastrointestinal discomfort. It's important to note that while castor oil can be effective in relieving occasional constipation, it may not be suitable for everyone, particularly pregnant women and individuals with certain medical conditions. 7. Reduces joint pain. Now, let's delve into how castor oil can be a soothing balm for those grappling with joint pain. Joint discomfort, often stemming from inflammation, is a common ailment that can significantly impact one's quality of life. Castor oil steps into the spotlight as a natural remedy with properties that can help alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and contribute to an overall sense of relief. One of the ways castor oil addresses joint pain is by targeting inflammation directly. Inflammation is a primary culprit behind joint discomfort, and castor oil contains compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. By applying castor oil topically to the affected joint, you can harness its soothing effects, helping to calm inflammation and ease the associated pain. Moreover, the topical application of castor oil can enhance blood circulation in the affected area. Improved blood flow means that more nutrients and oxygen reach the joint, promoting its healing process. This increased circulation contributes to a reduction in pain and discomfort, providing a natural and holistic approach to managing joint-related issues. Castor oil doesn't stop there, it also possesses pain-relieving properties that can be particularly beneficial when massaged onto sore joints. The gentle massage not only helps in distributing the oil evenly but also aids in relaxing the muscles surrounding the joint, contributing to a more comprehensive sense of relief. This can be especially valuable for individuals dealing with conditions like arthritis or those experiencing occasional joint stiffness. Additionally, castor oil is recognized for its potential in detoxifying the body. Accumulated toxins in the joints can exacerbate pain and stiffness. The detoxifying effects of castor oil may assist in reducing this buildup, providing further relief to those struggling with joint discomfort. To integrate castor oil into your routine for joint pain relief, warm the oil slightly and massage it into the affected area. Alternatively, you can create a castor oil pack by soaking a cloth in the oil and applying it to the joint. Applying heat to the pack enhances its effectiveness, leaving it on for about 30 minutes. Consistent use of castor oil for joint care may contribute to an improved sense of well-being and flexibility. 8. Promotes wound healing. Castor oil's wound healing properties stem from its ability to reduce inflammation and nourish the skin. Its anti-inflammatory compounds calm irritation, while essential fatty acids support tissue regeneration. Additionally, its antimicrobial nature protects against infections, and its moisturizing effect keeps the wound hydrated for optimal healing. To use castor oil for wound healing, clean the area and apply a small amount directly to the wound. Gently massage it in and cover with a sterile bandage. Remember, while castor oil aids healing, severe wounds require medical attention. By integrating castor oil into your wound care routine, you support the body's natural healing process, ensuring faster and more effective recovery. 9. Natural anti-inflammatory. Castor oil is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, primarily due to its ricinoleic acid content. Applied topically, it alleviates redness and swelling, providing relief from inflammatory responses. Additionally, its antioxidant properties combat free radicals, safeguarding the skin from potential inflammation triggers. Improved blood circulation, facilitated by castor oil, further reduces discomfort in inflamed areas. Versatile as a massage oil, castor oil soothes sore muscles and joints, easing pain and inflammation. 10. Softens lips. Castor oil transforms your lips into a haven of softness through its protective barrier, preventing dryness and retaining essential oils. Enriched with ricinoleic acid, it nourishes your lips, promoting skin cell regeneration for a smoother feel. Beyond moisturization, castor oil acts as a soothing balm, alleviating irritation and swelling. Its gentle exfoliation reveals radiant layers, making your lips both soft and captivating. To embrace the magic of castor oil for your lips, apply a small amount and massage gently. Whether combating dryness, seeking relief, or unveiling natural beauty, castor oil stands as a versatile companion in your lip care journey. In conclusion, let castor oil be your go-to solution for irresistibly soft and cared-for lips. If you enjoyed this journey through the benefits of castor oil, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Your wellness is our mission. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.